I gonna do ya now? New link on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. New link. Hotter.
Now in this time of people, I know you're staying home and people are wondering, where are I going to get that money? Oh my, well, so easy, so done. Now is the time. By simple doing, simple advertisement, oh, you can make so much money. And now, Newlink just going to show you how. I'm going to leave some link below the video. You can click on those links and it will to where you can make those money. I'm telling you, plenty money. Don't actually. So them a move, man.
Make your way up there.
Naturally there. Why? Nah learn. I big old belly too. Them nah learn.
Big arms.
They nah learn. Just not learning. Well, be people. Boy, you don't know the thing. A new link there, over there. Well, you don't know, so we covered the story earlier. We never showcased the video. Now we are doing the reaction towards the video, people. You understand? And actually, I think in the previous video, we said this would happen next week. Well, people, eventually, it happened. You understand? Just yesterday it happened. Yeah, just yesterday it happened. Donald Trelawney, people. You get me? I say, with these 34 people who was arrested for breaching the curfew act. So them they are river. I keep river party. One heap of people from different place line up a river. So them I keep big river party people in that this a crisis. And look there. How much of them you see in a mask on their face, people? Look how them look. Big pregnant all picking everybody did there, you know. You understand? Party on the river. You see how these people fool and stupid? You see how these people crazy? Then just make things worse for others. They make things worse because the longer them stay out there, you know. The more them try to go out and not stand in their yard, as so the thing are going to spread and as so them are go down there and them are going to suffer. And that's so they can't work and nothing go on because if the country keep on like them, no tourists can't come in Jamaica full of virus, you know. Nobody now go come there, everybody are go afraid, you know. Everybody are try to fix themselves and protect themselves. And who don't want to protect yourself, no stay there.